You've likely come to see this video today because you've searched, why is my air conditioner freezing? There's a couple of common causes why an air conditioner will freeze. It is either low on refrigerant or it's low on airflow. Low airflow can be caused by a filter that hasn't been changed, has gotten very dirty, just not allowing the machine to move enough air. You could be using too restrictive of an air filter. This can also cause low airflow condition. A dirty machine, dirty cooling coils, dirty blower motors, crushed duct, many causes of low airflow, but this will cause the unit to freeze. By not moving enough air, the cooling coil runs colder and colder and begins to freeze the moisture that's on it. Secondly, you may be low on refrigerant. Now, refrigerant does not get old, it does not wear out. You should not have to add refrigerant to your system. But if you're freezing because you're low on refrigerant, it's because it is leaking somewhere. Maybe something as simple as putting a wrench on a fitting and tightening it up to make the refrigerant leak stop. Or it could be a component within the system that has to be replaced. Either way, at Climate Masters, we have 6 NATE certified technicians that can get that diagnosed for you correctly the first time. Give us a call at 626-9231 and get one of our qualified technicians to come to your home today and diagnose your icing problem. I'm Richard Morisson with Climate Masters Heating and Air Conditioning, where the quality of our work forecasts our future.